Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Just like the title says, today's video is on an easier method in threading. So firstly, I'll be showing you how I keep my braids moisturized. So I'll be using my leave-in conditioner. As you can see, I'm applying the leave-in conditioner to all portions of my hair, the roots, the body, and the ends. Next up, I'll be using my oil mix. If you're not new to my YouTube channel, you know that my oil mix contains penetrating oils, carrier oils, and essential oils just to seal it everything up. Then I'll be sealing it all up with my shea butter. As you can see, my shea butter, I'm only applying the shea butter to the strands of the braid so that it can seal in the moisture, and the shea butter really adds shine. If you've not checked out my previous video on how I achieved this braiding style, make sure you do so. The link will be in the description box down below and also in the right hand corner. For this video, you'll be needing your crochet pin, your Brazilian wool. I prefer to use Brazilian wool because it gives me a full lock look. As you can see, I'm just clipping away the portions I will not be needing. Then I will insert my crochet pin into the portion of braid you are about to crochet, then wrap it around. So as you can notice, I'm making one portion longer than the other. The portion that is longer is the portion I'll be wrapping around, and for this wrapping style, you need to wrap towards your face for you to achieve the individual threading. Towards the end, I'll be adding additional yarn so I can get the same width across the entire threading of this braid. At the ending portion, I will be taking a single yarn to just wrap it all around so it can thin out towards the ending before creating a loop. As you can see, I'm just creating a loop and tying it out using my finger to create this loop. Repeating the same process, I'll be taking my closed crochet pin into the braid that I'm about to crochet, insert my yarn, pull it out, ensure to pull one portion so that it can be longer. The portion that I'll be wrapping around will be the longer portion, and I'll be wrapping it towards my face. At the ending portion, you will notice I'll be adding additional yarn so that I can achieve the equal width throughout the entire thread of this braid. At the end, do not forget to create your secured knots by wrapping the individual yarn around a finger of yours to create this knot as seen in the video, and also ensure to create at least 2 or 3 of these knots to have a secured end for your threading process. At this moment, I just want to say a big thank you to all who have been liking, subscribing, commenting, sharing with their friends my videos. I want to say thank you to my 300 plus subscribers. You guys mean a lot to me. To all those who have been engaging with my Instagram post, thank you very much, and wishing you all a happy holiday. Some of the misconceptions on African threading is that African threading helps to elongate one's hair. No, it only serves as a protective style, and it helps to showcase the original length of your hair. Because it is the main method for hair stretching, it showcases the original length of your hair. And African threading has been done for a long time, so people have just modernized it in a way to look more chic and cool, just like the way this looks like faux locks. So this took about an hour or so because I was doing some things in between off camera. So if you use this method of threading, it should take you at least 30 to 45 minutes max if you've been practicing. It's actually a very simple method to make one's hair. Moving on to the next phase, I'm ensuring that my knots are properly tight before I go in by snipping it all out. If you notice, I'm not snipping it close to the knot, as I want to create this feathered look for this style. I'm not going to be using the candle method, but if you're using the candle method, you can snip it towards the knot, so you can just use the candle to just burn it out. But I'm not doing the candle method. I actually prefer if my ends look like this. It gives me that full locks look, which I really love and enjoy, and I'm happy that I got that. Ensure to also trim the body of the threads for any loose parts or the like, so that you can have a neat form of look. Just trim out any form of excesses so that your threading can be neat and you can have such cute style. Then I'll be going in with my echo styler for the center part, because for the braiding style, I've done the braiding style for about a week or so. The parts weren't so neat, so I was just using the gel to ensure I have my center pattern. Then I'll be going in to lay my edges using my edge brush and the echo styler gel. If you've not seen my reviews on the styler gels that I've done before, on the got to be, the echo styler, the gorilla snot, I'll leave the link in the description box down below to my Instagram page, so ensure you check it out. Then I'm just laying down my edges to make everything look neat and chic. Then I'll be accessorizing by using my silver clips. You can use cowries, beads, anything you prefer, you can use that, but I prefer to use my silver pins. It actually makes the style look more faux-ish. Then I'm just going in with my oil mix just to oil the ends so that there will not be any form of dryness. If you notice at the beginning, I moisturized my ends properly, so oiling this is just sealing it all up. If you enjoyed today's video, do not forget to give me a big thumbs up and connect with me on my socials at FHB by Pam. I can't wait to see you in my next video. Bye.